Yo, everybody, it's AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a Microventures update about some new companies. And man, I got a surprise for you at the end, so please stay tuned because some of these companies can get you paid. Right. So our first one we're going to be looking at is this exercise company. They are paying out some cool things. The first thing I always look at when when getting into a company in Microventures is how they pay. And first thing out, they give a 20% discount when they go IPO. You can read the details right here, this right here, and also the perks. So for me, I am not interested in one of these kind of companies because I don't like discounts on IPOs, but this may be work for you. But one of these may be nice. I do like how they get 10% off, you get 50% off some of the off of their models of their free boxing MMA gloves, 20% off at $2,500. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to find out more information about this, please check out the details. This is just a review about what's happening about these companies. Next one, this one is really cool. This is the Backyard Soda Co. And where's it at? Also a 20% discount on the IPO, which could be very, very profitable. Also, you get some tickets for the investor party and a mixed 6-pack of SBD sodas. So if this kind of company, if you want to read it more, go in details, this one fits your style of investing and getting into a soda company. And it's been on you. But my favorite's at the end, so let's keep on going. Our next one is Brakes to Go, mobile on-demand brakes and service and repair, which that's pretty interesting. So right now they racked up $102,000 from 331 investors. That's pretty good. So this has a 30% discount, so that's actually a little bit better than the other two. I do like that. You get 30% off. What do you get for the perks? Any perks? I'll have to read this a little bit more in detail, but this one seems to be a whole lot more detailed than the last two. This is actually one I might just check out, but this is a Brakes to Go company. We'll check out our next one to keep the video on par. So this one's called A Boring Life. It raised $77,480 from 324 investors. What are you out? You have a 20% discount. What do you get? Boring Bones gummies for dogs and Boring Life funny pack, a Boring Life starter kit, 2 bags of each valued nut and bottle. So yeah, that's very interesting. When it comes to these kind of companies, please read exactly what it is that you're getting into. For me, like I said at the beginning, I always look at how I get paid first because that's the most important. How does an investor get their money back? Cool. So this is ElectroSpite. That's $40,000 from 112 investors. A little bit low-ish, but we should check it out a little bit more. I do like that they have pre-orders from their Kickstarter. Interesting. 20% valuation, 20% off the IPO. I think it's pretty standard. I do like that other company at 30%. That was pretty awesome. Really, really, really good. I'll take a little bit more discount, probably a little more meat to it. So apparently they're throwing out some big names out here. I mean, we're just scanning through, but please check out the details if you want to invest in this company. And also, remember, Microventures does have that awesome savings account, so you can make some good income while you get your money sitting there for investment. And this is Jetson AI, the first SaaS platform for e-commerce, restaurants, and hotels. Now, this is a big one. They raised $1,070,000 from 5,062 investors. Whoa. This one is, when does it close? Interesting. When does this one close out? But this thing is 20% off, discount on IPOs, probably the same standard stuff when it comes here. The perks: investors that purchase 25,000 crowd notes and therefore fund their first 25,000 will receive provisions based on a $6 million valuation at 20% discount. Okay. No really cool perks other than the money. Cool. So let's move on. Our next is Hoplite Power, a smartphone charging sharing network providing portable power. Okay, so 54,666 people, 200 not people, money, and raised from 266 investors. Let's check this out. Let's see what you got. So discount 20% off. They're looking at a valuation cap from 5.5 to 6 million. That's really good. Let's see. We got perks. Ooh, let's see what we get. Unique discount code for 5 free rentals. Feature your name in the investor package. Cool. 10 unique. So let's look at some big ones. 2,500 unique code for 50. Really? Nah. So I mean, get some discounts. You have to use the thing a little bit cheaper. Let's go to this one right here. All right. The bestest. Whoa, what is this? Social app for users to create and share polls with targeted audiences. 43,000 and from 163 people. Let's check this out. What are you paying out, man? 20%. All right, that's cool. I mean, if you guys like 20% off, I mean, tell me, drop a comment below if you've seen these companies, if you like them, if you like 20% off. But let's go to the one that I just got into, and it's not because it's 20% off. Nah. This is a OZ Tap House. This is 59,000 raised, 160 people, 190 people. My bad, 190. But I like this. This is like my favorite thing when it comes to Microventures. Until repayment of 1.75 times investment repaid. And if we go to the interest rate, revenue sharing agree with provides investors 2.5% of company's gross revenue up to repayment amount of 1.7 times of investment. Awesome. So we do get some cool things when it comes to all this funniness. So for me, I have bought into this company. I'm not telling you how much, but please drop a comment below if you want to see my reasoning why, because I've already read some of these details. I don't want to bore you guys and make this video too long, but just to show you guys, building up cash flow is very important. I love getting into Microventures for 2 main reasons: cash flow and that awesome savings account. So you get the combination. So when I get paid for my cash flow, it's thrown into another account, get a little bit more cash flow. When a company comes up like this, boom, I throw that money into another account. So guys, if you want to find out more from me or learn more about what I do, please go to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com, and go to just browse around, start a free account, and hit up our trading groups. And that's it, man. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video.